Alright guys, welcome to the first ever video of Lindsay and I's family channel. We're going to be kind of doing a day in the life of Lindsay and I. Today we are going to be making a fireplace mantle. We got some wood from Home Depot. I'm not sure if you guys can see it in the back of the truck there.
Messy truck.
Yeah, but we're going to be making this mantle. We did shiplap our fireplace, all white. We'll show videos and pictures of it. And then we're just going to be putting the mantle up, cutting it. We bought a pin nailer too. It's like a big purchase for us, but we're super excited about it.
It was like $200.
It was like $200, but I love how I bought the nailer after I already put up the shiplap. But
well, we're gonna be we might shiplap maybe the kitchen.
yeah, we have leftover shiplap just because of how our fireplace, how the length was. That we only could get 8-foot boards, and the boards was just over 4 foot, or like the measure. So we had to cut a lot of them over half, and we couldn't reuse them anywhere. But
we might do like the backsplash or something.
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
And we also went to Magoo's.
Yes, we went to Magoo's for our dogs. But you guys will see them here shortly too. So we'll see you guys inside when we start working.
Okay, so Carter is starting on the inside, so I'm out here with the dogs, and I'm about to give them their special treats we got from Magoo's. Okay, so this is Thanos, our Than Man. He's stressed out because I have their stuff over here. And then we have the Loki. Hi, Bubba. Okay, so now they're a little bit more calm. So Loki, sit. For Thanos, Loki, sit, Bubba, sit. I got this cod skin to help brush their teeth. No, sit. So this is for Than, sit. This is for Than. Sit down. Okay, sit. Good boy. Then over here, I have this freeze-dried chicken neck. So I'm going to give that to Loki because he likes that the best. Here you go. Good boy. You got your cod. You get the cod skin. You don't even want it? Right there. Good boy. Dan, get your cod skin. Dan. Did you eat that already? Gonna go get it. You got your cod skin?
Okay.
Alright, so we just ran to Ace. We got our screws. We got some 3-inch interior wood screws, which is exactly what we needed. The guy there was trying to sell me drywall screws. Didn't know what he was doing, but we're now headed back to the house. Luckily, we don't live too far away from a hardware store, so we'll see you guys back when we start putting up the mantle.
So this is the fireplace. Over the weekend, Carter shiplapped the whole thing. I'll probably insert like a photo of how it was before, but it was like this super like gross brick. And
it was like fake.
Yeah, it was like a fake brick.
Yeah, it wasn't even real brick.
Yeah. So now Carter's making the mantle. Carter's making the mantle. We're gonna have it be the same color as like the bench that we made. It's the same color as the bench, but then it's gonna be up there.
Say like here?
Yeah, is it like right on the line? Oh, it is.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, I think that's good height.
Because then it's going to drop down to here. Can you hear me, my drill? Finished up the fireplace. We got the shiplap done, and then the mantle is complete. We tried to put it like 18 inches or so from the fireplace itself. And pretty much how I did it, if you guys didn't see me do it, this is I think it's like 1x8. It's like a 1x8. I have one here, one on the top, one on the bottom, and then these side pieces, I just pretty much use the 1x8 and I just cut it up. And then if you guys saw, I had a 2x4. I ran it across this way just for like a nailer. And then up on top, I screwed pretty much a wood screw, 3-inch wood screw into it to kind of hold it in place so it's really sturdy, and you can put like decor up and you don't have to worry about it falling off. Down here is, I think it's probably like a 1x18 or so. I don't even know if that's what you call it. But I tried to go for more of the distressed look on top and bottom. Shiplap, one thing that we need to figure out is these little nail holes. Because I did not have a pin nailer at the time, I had to use some trim screws or trim nails. So I think we're gonna get some wood filler, put it directly over it, and then paint it the same shiplap white. So that was pretty much our project for the day. It looks fantastic. We have a gas fireplace. We have the mantle, and it goes almost all the way up. We do have a little more caulking to do up there, as you can see. But other than that, you know, this was a great, easy project to do. Super
Hi everyone.
affordable.
So it's actually the next day. We were so busy last night with the fireplace and just like our nightly routine. We ended up going to the gym and we forgot to finish the vlog. So I'm finishing it right now. I just want to say thank you for watching. We wanted to make this channel to be able to look back in years to come and also have family that don't live around here be able to watch us and see what's going on. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.